cost more this year than last year, and some more than others, depending on the market you're in. It's Friday, July 21st, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Most Maryland areas saw the highest sales prices on record to date. Buyers are still competing in many markets as inventory is well below the need. Days on the market remain very low, so buyers must act quickly when deciding on a home. Maryland has 1,034 homes coming soon, and this has increased over the past week. 1,468 new listings hit the market, falling from last report. 594 went under contract and 922 went pending. 1,165 sold at 100% list-to-sold ratio in 7 days. The highest priced home to sell was an estate in Bradley Farms of Potomac for $4,300,000. Rentals available rose again this week to 1,888 at $2,400 per month, and leasing in 16 days from hitting the market. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, July 21st, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a super weekend, and I'll see you next week.